Today is day 5 for my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 5.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
Here's door number 5. It's on the bottom near the left. And let's open it up. And we have fig cardamom spread. I think I might have had this flavor before, but I could be wrong. This is what it looks like. This one's pretty loose. It's really good. Tastes like figs and cardamom. Today I'm making fig and goat cheese crostini in my Dash mini toaster oven. So I have a piece of a small baguette, which I have cut into several slices. And I'm going to put the slices in the toaster oven. I want to toast them. I actually might be able to fit 4 little slices on here. So there's 3. Let me cut one more slice. I'm using a sourdough baguette, so that looks really good. And this is the little pan that comes with the toaster oven, and I have some foil on it just to make for easier cleanup. So let's put that in there, and then I'm going to bake it until it's browned on top. That should only take a few minutes. I'm going to set it for about 5 minutes. It's been about 8 minutes, and the little pieces of crostini are starting to brown, so I'm going to turn them over. And let's brown the other side. I set it for about 8 minutes again. It's been about 5 minutes on the second side, and I think these are looking really good right now. So I'm going to remove the tray, and I'm going to take my fig spread and try not to make a mess with it. That's what I'm going to try to do. And I'm going to put some of the fig spread on the crostini. Crostini's pretty dry, so I want to make sure I have a good amount of spread on it. And now I'm going to add some goat cheese. I'm just trying to crumble some goat cheese on top. I want a decent amount of goat cheese. Like, I don't want too much to drown out the flavor of the fruit spread. I want a nice balance. I think that looks good. I'm going to pop this back in the mini toaster oven so that the cheese can melt a little bit. I'll set it for about 3 minutes. It's been a few minutes. Let's check on the crostini. I'm definitely going to take them out. Look how brown the edges got. They're a little bit browner than I want them to be, but I still think they'll be okay. As you can see, the edges of the bread are a little bit on the burnt side. I was hoping that the cheese would brown on top, but instead of the cheese browning, the bread just continued to brown. So these are definitely done. I want to see if I could actually pick one up and eat it, or are they going to be too hot? So here is my little fig and goat cheese crostini. I think it looks good. Super crispy. And these flavors work so well together, the fig and the cardamom and the goat cheese. It's really a delicious bite. If these were baked a minute or 2 less, they'd be perfect. As it is now, I don't taste any burnt flavor, but the edges are super, super crispy. I think if these weren't baked as long, the edges wouldn't be quite so crispy. But flavor-wise, it is really, really good. With the sweet fig and cardamom spread, and then the salty and tangy goat cheese. This makes an excellent appetizer. This would go really well with a glass of wine. It also makes a nice snack. And so that is what I did with my Bonne Maman fruit spread today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with the mini fruit spreads in the Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.